This is a Julia Jupyter notebook that helps in getting a continuous gradient phase and hence a continuous analog grading even if there is changes in orientation. So I will go to the run menu and click on run all cells. It will execute the entire script and output the results. The result that I am visualizing here using a package called Mackie.jl. It is one of the visualization package in Julia. The important plot among these results are one is phi and other is analog grading. So here you can visualize that there is a smooth continuous variation in the plot, that is a gradient phase, and using this gradient phase it is possible to get a smooth continuous analog grading. We can see there is changes in orientation in the center. Even if that changes happens, we are still getting a continuous smooth analog grading. This smooth continuous analog grading is necessary to develop spatially variant lattice structures. In the next video I will show you how to get a two-dimensional spatially variant lattice structures. Thank you for watching.